guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you're welcome. Consider sticking around, hit that subscribe button and watch my previous videos. Today we are going to be doing something really exciting. It feels like Christmas because there are a lot of presents that we are going to be unwrapping. For my birthday this year, I got the most epic gifts and I'm going to be unwrapping them in this video. Yeah, that's what we are going to be doing in today's video. I have always wanted a vlog camera. I have had it in my to buy list for the longest time. So when I was traveling, I was like, this is my best opportunity to buy it. So I had the money for it, I had plans of buying it, I had a list of other things I was going to buy with it as well. But unfortunately, the funds had to be reallocated to other things. So I didn't know that I was going to get it. So imagine my shock when I got exactly what I wanted and even more for my birthday this year. I'm really excited and grateful for this gift. I remember when I got my current DSLR, it's one of my prized possession, honestly. Now this is going to become one of the things that I cherish for as long as possible. Yeah, let me just start with the camera. I got the Sony ZV E10. This is what it looks like. I have not opened these things. Shockingly, I haven't opened them. So this is the first time that I'm going to be seeing and feeling what it looks like, which is very exciting. I have been so excited to open it and see what's in it. So it's really great that I'm doing that now. When you open the carton, it's a manual. Man, this manual is the manual is lent. So there's a manual. This is a registration of some sort, protection plan. Oh wow, so I get some sort of warranty with this. I'll set this up later. Let's not waste all of our time in this video. So it comes with a lot of papers that I'm going to be going through later on if I go through them. Then in the main box is where you have the good stuff. So I'm just going to be bringing the things out one after the other. Unfortunately, I don't have like a proper unboxing setup, so bear with me. This is the main camera and I can feel, oh, the lens is attached to it already. We'll come back to this later. Let's just see what else is in the box. Then there is the strap, a battery, or is this a wall charger? Oh yeah, oh, this is nice. They added a wall charger to it. My other camera didn't come with this, so this is really good. A cable and the battery. There's also something that is in a small paper wrap like this. It's the dead cat. It goes like on top of the microphone for when you are filming outside and when it's windy. Back to the main camera, the body. Oh man, it's so cute. This is so cute, and this is portable. I cannot believe with the lens attached to it, my palm is longer than it. It's less than the length of my palm, which is really great. Like it will be really portable for vlogging, and for someone like me who is like a bit shy and would not want to bring out like a whole gadget to record in public, this would be really great. Yeah, so this is what the camera looks like. I will not be doing any testing, or maybe I will. If I test this camera before I upload this video, I will insert test clips at the end. If not, if you would like to see a real life demo or test of this camera, let me know. But it's really great. Oh man, it's so beautiful. I got some other accessories that I'm going to be attaching to it to test. I also got like an additional lens, 2 additional lenses actually. I'm going to show you guys, so there's no need to doctorate. But yeah, this is what the camera looks like. It shoots in 4K. It's a very simple, I used to use a DSLR, or I currently use a DSLR, so I sort of kind of know how to manage cameras like this. So this is not strange at all, and I'm going to figure out the settings eventually. There's a blogger that I follow, YouTuber Kelechi Women, and she usually gives really nice tips and tricks on how to set up cameras to shoot in the best quality. I know that I used one of her tutorials to set up my DSLR, which works great for me, so maybe I'll go and look for her video for the setup of this one as well, and when I set it up I'll begin to film videos with it. But this is what it looks like, and the lens attached to it as well. I got it with the kit lens, which is always my preference, and I'm hoping that the quality of the kit lens is not bad, because it's really portable to carry with the camera for vlogging. I'm sure that the lens that I got is going to be bigger than this, so depending on what it is and how it weighs, I'm hoping that I film a lot of videos with this kit lens if the quality agrees with me. So this is really great. This is like really nice. I honestly don't know what else to tell you guys about this camera. If you have any questions about it, leave it in the comment section and I'm going to respond. But for now, this is an unboxing video, so it's not a spec or quality comparison video or anything like that. So I'm just going to show you guys and then we move on. So that's it for the camera. Hopefully I will begin to do vlog videos now. I don't have any excuse anymore, so let's see how that goes. For this particular camera, I got this lens. It's the Sigma 16mm 1.4. I read reviews and watched a lot of videos before I decided on this lens, so hopefully it's as good as all of the hype that I watched. Yeah, let's get into the box. Again, a lot of manuals. It's like a crate of egg, the way they packaged this, which is good, I guess, so that it doesn't swell. I know that it was going to be bulky, and so this is what the lens looks like. It's quite something. It's probably bigger than the camera itself, and it weighs a lot more compared to the camera. It's quite heavy. It is, I think it weighs heavier than the camera, which is what I was explaining, that I'm hoping that the quality of the kit lens is good, so that this I would not have to use a lot, because I can't imagine carrying like a heavy thing and be walking around. Anyways, we'll figure that out later. But this is what the lens looks like. It's really good, really cute. Sigma lenses are really great lenses, so I don't anticipate to have any issues with it apart from the weight. I can also use it on my DSLR when I want to shoot sit-down videos like this. I do not intend to discard my DSLR. It's just going to be my sit-down makeup tutorial video camera, while the Sony one will become like my walk around everyday portable camera. I will definitely be using the both of them as much as possible. This lens can work for the both of them, so depending on the look and feel that I'm going for and depending on what I'm shooting, I'll decide what to use. I also got the Yugno, I don't know how to pronounce this thing, is it Yongno or Yongo 35mm lens as well. I got this one to use together with my 50mm, which is what I'm currently shooting on for my sit down videos. Hopefully I like the output of this. I'm not going to be opening this in this video, I'm just going to be showing you guys. Let's go over to like the other things that I bought. Then for my vlog camera, which is the Sony camera, I got an external mic. I have seen and watched videos of people saying that the internal mic that comes with the camera is great, and I have heard it at least from their videos and the tests that they did. They said the audio is really great, but I didn't want to take the chance, so I decided to get an external mic. Audio is a great component of your videos. If your audio is bad, everything is going to just be wonky and bad. Imagine watching this video and not hearing what I'm saying clearly. Is not really good. The internal microphone is good, but anything to amplify your audio, I would definitely recommend. This mic was again a recommendation that I got from YouTube. It was from watching one of all of the videos that I watched on YouTube that made me decide to get this particular mic. You'll get to know whether or not I made the right decision when I begin to put out like my videos and vlogs. If you'd like me to do a proper video describing how I'm going to set all of this up and how I film my videos, the equipment that I use and all of that good stuff, let me know in the comment section and I will show you guys what my setup currently looks like with my sit down videos and eventually a vlog. Maybe then I would also have used this equipment a few times and I would have like better notes to give, but for now it's just a shiny new toy that we are excited about. All of these things come with manual. I like that all of these things have warranty. It's a good to have. So this is the pouch that the mic comes in. Just open that up and oh wow, this is really cute. It has like a luxurious feel to it. It's really rich. It's making me feel good. I like that it comes with this pouch and you can charge it with sort of like your Apple AirPods, so you can charge the case and then charge your microphones using the case. So this is great. I really like this thing that comes with this. It's really nice. It has other accessories as well, so I think this is the cable to charge it, a fluffy thing to put on the microphone. Again, just cable. It has everything that you would need to set it up and use. The last thing that I'm going to be showing in this video is this tripod, which I got before I got any of these things. This I got by myself because after I realized I wasn't going to be able to get my camera, I decided to buy a tripod that I can use with my phone so that I'll be able to do vlogs on my phone. I have an iPhone 15 Pro Max. That was my alternative option for vlogs, so I was fine with using that. I just wanted to get a tripod that was going to work and make it easier for me to shoot vlog videos. Eventually, when I got my camera, I realized that this tripod will work fine with the camera as well. This is what it looks like. I really like the way that it is packaged. This is the main tripod stand. So this is what it looks like. This is the length of it. It extends up to 62 inches, so you can still use it as a tall tripod. So the tail of it expands like this, so you can just use it as a regular stand tripod and just extend it to as long as you want it to be. It's really sturdy, which is why I decided against buying another tripod. So I think that it will work fine for the camera. Let me try to attach it now and see what it looks like. It works fine for the camera. This is what it looks like. I think it's great. I don't have any issues with it. The tripod also comes with a stand or attachment for my phone or your phone, if that's what I want to use it for, which is great as well for when I want to just film on my phone. It comes with a remote, also a great tool for when you are shooting by yourself. You want to be able to control the camera without having to go back and forth. The last thing in the pack is a pouch, which I think is really great for the tripod. So you can just put everything that you need in here and move on. I feel like I've been talking for ages. I got a lot of other accessories that I will not be showing in this video, but my vlogging setup is complete. I was just waiting to film this unboxing video before I set everything up and start giving you guys content back to back. Hopefully. Yeah, another important mention is what's it called? Memory card. These are memory cards. I got two new ones. I have 3 old ones that I use for like my sit down videos. I don't like to delete things, so I just accumulate memory card. I also have a hard drive that I transfer things too, but I still have like a lot of my old stuff on my memory card that I don't like to delete, so I don't know what we'll do about that, but that's not for this video. So I got 2 of this. This is 256 gig, and I also got, oh yeah, this is it under the pile of all my rubble. Yeah, so, and I also got a 128 gig one as well. I'm hoping that these 2 would be more than enough for me to shoot my vlog videos, and they are really high quality memory cards, so I'm hoping that I don't have any problem with them capturing videos as fast as possible and processing and all of that good stuff. So yeah, that's all. You need to see how my tabletop looks. It's a mess, a big mess, but I'm so happy and grateful for all of these things that I received. The person who got it for me knows himself, so I'm really thankful. I've said thank you and thank you and thank you again, because this means a lot to me. Somebody that understands the things that you love. I'm hoping that I'll be able to do more with these gifts and, you know, give you guys content as well. If you have any content suggestions, leave it in the comment section. If you like watching this video, it means that you will like my other videos, so start with these 2 and then go from there. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.